Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay. Welcome to £1 Meals. Today we've got an extra special guest in the house. We've got Chetna.
Hi!
And she's just released, literally last week, her new book called Chetna's Healthy Indian. And she's going to be doing the £1 Meals Challenge. Right, so what we're going to cook?
Okay, we're going to do spicy chickpea curry 4 ways, but I'm making it with the green beans today.
All right, cool. So let's get started. So what do you need? You need
just a pan and a bit of oil.
Okay. Right, you're going to hate me for this, but I've only got olive oil.
Oh!
I'm one of those guys. Cooks his curry with olive oil.
Oh, really?
Right. Well, let me. I've got very cheap olive oil that's probably flavourless.
Go for it.
Well, do you want to take over on this side?
Okay.
Because this looks like where the real action's going on.
So I'm putting in half a teaspoon, because we're making a smaller portion, of black mustard seeds.
Yeah.
And if you just chop this as well, then
Yep.
I'll add some of the green chilies.
At the same time as the onion?
Yeah,
Okay.
there goes. So once they start to sizzle, that goes in. Right, so we're going to cook this with until golden, maybe 4 or 5 minutes.
Perfect. Well, let me have a little look at the book while you do that. So these are all healthy recipes.
Yes.
This is the first time I've seen this book because I missed her book launch. Ooh, I like this. Masala cauliflower potatoes. Photography is stunning.
So, just a tablespoon tomato puree. And then we need to cook this a little bit as well, so we're going to get
Well, that's the thing, a lot
smokier.
of people don't cook the tomato puree out.
Oh.
And then it tastes weird.
You've got to cook the tomato puree out. So that is looking like it has cooked down. And now I'll add the spices. So I am going spicy. You said you can handle it.
I can handle the spice.
We'll see. So we've got chili powder to taste, half a teaspoon or so of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon or so of garam masala.
There you go.
Yes, please. Then the chickpeas go in. So now this needs to cook. And I know the chickpeas are cooked, but they need to absorb all this lovely flavour.
And go a tiny little bit mushy.
Yes.
And I guess it sort of thickens the sauce a little bit.
Yes. Yeah. Now we need some salt, because I haven't added any salt yet.
Salt is free.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you add loads. So this, I'll lower the heat and now cook this for 5-10 minutes. In that time, just get green beans boiled.
On the boil. Okay.
Yes.
Right, are those done? Let's put them in here. Got a nice little thing. Right, what are we going to serve it in? Do you want me to find these are my special plates? I'll tell you what.
I might need something deep. Oh yeah, okay, that should good. Right, so if you want, you can mash it a little bit. But you can see it's properly cooked because it's mashing quite easily too. So that's turn it off.
That's what I'm into.
Right. And that goes straight into our dish. Okay, and then finish it with our lovely green beans.
Wow.
So you can have it with some roast chicken on top, some fish, not any of that in £1, but...
not in my kitchen.
Yeah. So
that is amazing. That is beautiful.
And that is your spicy chickpeas with green beans.
Wow. Right, let's give it a try.
Yes.
Let's get some knives, some forks. Here we go.
I just want to wait and see your reaction, how you're going to handle that.
Oh my God. That's amazing. It's a little hot. I can handle it, look. The heat's piling on top of the heat now. Right, I need some of these green beans to cool me down.
You could, I don't know if it's going to be in £1, but you could just put a little swirl of yogurt.
That would be lovely.
Which goes really well with
I've got
No.
Pizza Express.
No. No, no, no. It's not happening. You don't have any yogurt?
No.
No. I cannot allow that in front of my eyes to put Pizza Express. But actually, with the green beans, it's fine. It is hot, but the flavors are so well balanced. See, your garam masala, the garam masala is very different to curry powder. Can you tell?
Yeah, it tastes very like it has pepper in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a lot of cinnamon, pepper.
This is special. I think I'm actually going to eat the whole thing.
Well, go for it.
So, that was from Chetna's new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian.
Yes.
And I heartily recommend this dish.
Oh.
Amazing. So this is for me, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, well I'm going to have some fun with this at home. And you know what, I might remake that. Can I have your garam masala?
Absolutely.
Perfect. There you go. Just scored myself a free garam masala mix and a free cookbook. So go check it out. Also, check out Chetna's channel. It's called Food with Chetna.
Yes, it is.
It's on YouTube. But she's also got an Instagram account. Have you got Twitter?
I've got.
You've got them all. She's got them all.
But YouTube, yes. We're going to be cooking something with Miguel on my channel. So please come find us there.
Cool. Well, Chetna's Healthy Indian. Cooking with Chetna.
Food with Chetna.
Food with Chetna. Okay. Don't get it wrong. Cooking with Chetna is a whole new... Is there a Cooking with Chetna?
I actually have never checked.
Okay. You should buy that. Right. Well, catch you guys later.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.